Here I have TP-LINK Neffos Y5L, and let me show you how to accomplish here the bypass Google verification. Let me show you how to unlock the FRP on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start from the following view, verify your account. Let's here type in some random word and let's highlight this word. Let me do it. Choose here the menu key and select here assist. Tap no thanks. And let's type in here Chrome. So let me type in Chrome. Let's tap Chrome right here to use the Chrome app. And now you can tap accept and continue, choose no thanks. And let's enter here the HardReset.Info. .info right here. Alright, let's use the menu key right here. Select here the download. Alright, from the download section, let's type in here the test DCP file. So let's type in test, for example. Let me find it. Here I have test. Tap search. Alright, let's tap download test DCP or DPC, test DPC. Let's scroll down, tap download. Let's choose update permissions, tap allow Chrome to access photos, media, etc. Tap OK. Tap open. Choose this test DPC app, tap settings, and let's enable the unknown sources right here. Tap OK. Let's go back again. Let's tap the test DPC one more time. Tap install. Let's here accept this information. Choose open. Let's select here setup device owner, tap setup, tab encrypt. Here you need to plug in your charger, so let me do it. Let's plug in. Let me change my cable. Alright, now you can tap encrypt phone, tap it twice, and the device is encrypting itself, so let's wait until the operation will be done. You can even try to switch on the device right now. Wait until the device will be ready to use. You can also disconnect your device from your charger. Excellent. Now let's quickly go through the welcome panel, tap skip. Here let's tap setup, tap OK. The device is setting the device owner, tap setup phone, choose setup phone again, and now all you need to do is press the power key and choose reboot. Alright, let's unlock the phone. Let me skip the following setup, tap finish, and as you can see, just activate your device. But to fully erase FRP, let's perform the hard reset by using settings. So let's choose settings, scroll down, tap backup and reset, choose factory data reset, tap reset phone, and choose erase everything. That's it. Now you have to just wait until the hard reset will be done, then you will be able to activate your device without the Google account. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.